Hello everyone, this is Lashmajan from TechRaman. Dyson is the OG of the vacuum cleaning segment. Their machines are very powerful, has a great suction power, comes with lot of attachments. Let's see about this particular model, Dyson V15 Direct in this video. What all the attachments you get, what are the purpose of the attachment, how to use it, how to maintain it, everything I will try to cover in this video. If I miss out something, feel free to ask in the comment section, I will answer that. But let's see about this Dyson V15 in this video. Let's dive into this. This is how the Indian retail box of a Dyson V15 looks in an eco-friendly packaging. Let's unbox it. The main unit and the accessories are packed neatly inside. Let me show you one by one all that comes in this box. The first attachment we got here is the hair screw tool. As the name implies, it helps you to clean long hairs and pet hairs littered around your home. I don't have a pet at home unfortunately. It's a motor-driven accessory unit. You can also use this attachment for cleaning small spaces. Next attachment we got here is the stubborn dirt brush. Well, you would get an idea by the name itself. It has a stiff nylon bristles. It can dislodge stubborn dirt from the floors and furnitures. I use this especially for the kitchen cabinets, chairs, desks, etc. This is mini soft dusting brush. It has a soft nylon bristles to clean delicate surfaces and fabrics. You can even use it to soft brush your dresses even. For me, it comes handy to clean keyboards. Up next, we got here the combination tool. It is a 2-in-1 tool. It has a brush and a wide nozzle. It is convenient in the sense you have two attachments combined into one for small spaces, tables, etc. Now comes the two attachment you would be using daily. The laser slim fluffy cleaner head. This can be used on hard floors. It has a soft nylon anti-static carbon fiber filaments. It helps to extract dust from hard floors. It also has a small magic lighting. So you see the green button here, you can toggle it on and off. The green light emission, they call it as a laser light emission. Don't worry, it's just a light. It helps you to find easily the very tiny dust on the floors. So you can effectively clean those particular dust you might miss otherwise when you vacuum. If the light is annoying for you, you can of course turn it off. This one is the digital motor bar cleaner head. This unit also comes with its own small motor head inside for additional suction power. It can be used on the carpet, beds as well as all floors. It has a detangling comb to remove easily the hairs that can get stuck in the unit head. So this is the service tool. How would you clean hard to reach narrow areas? Well, this is how you do. This tool is exactly meant for this. Now that we finished with the main cleaning attachment kits, let's see what else there. This is the long extension rod or band. Why bend and clean when you can stand and clean? You can attach this to the main unit and the attachments to the other end. I will show you in a moment, but let me pull out the other things first. You can attach this to the main band and clip two other attachments to it. So basically it helps you to store two clips to the rod. So you have it ready for if you want to change the attachment when you are cleaning on the go. So this is the main vacuum unit. The motor as well as the collection unit is found here. The behind also has a color display, which I will talk about it later. It's a compact unit. You can easily carry it around. There's a bit of weight, but it is manageable because the ergonomics are well done. This is the charger to power the battery of the main unit. This is a wireless vacuum cleaner, but you can charge the inbuilt battery with this charger. The charging point is found here. This is the wall docking station. I have not found the right spot yet, but yeah, you can rest your Dyson unit on this when not in use. So you have a button here, power on button. It's in red color. When you press it, it gets powered on. So this part goes to the mouth of the unit. So you just press the lever here and you get a click sound and it is fixed to the head. Now you can connect the attachment to this end. Same click you get, and then you get a long handle wand so you can stand and clean the floor or even to access the top corners with the Dyson unit. So this is very handy, and press it and you can remove the parts. So you can also attach the attachments directly to the unit and you can use it without the handle. It takes around 4.5 hours to fully charge the Dyson vacuum unit and the runtime is around 1 hour. So behind you have a display. You can also set it to eco mode or medium or boost. By default, it goes on eco mode. If the bin is full, you will get an indicator on the display to empty the bin. To clean, there are two things we have to clean. You cannot clean the entire unit with water, but you can open the back part. So you have a filter kind of mechanism here. So this unit can be washed, and then you can fix it back. So this is one part of the cleaning, and then this brushes can be also cleaned. You can remove this brush and then you can water wash it and then fix it back into this. So that's about the Dyson V15 vacuum cleaner. It's very handy for your home cleaning needs. You can clean your bed, carpet, floors. You can reach the corners easily, cabinets, furnitures, and even it helps you to clean your car upholstery. All that thing is taken care neatly by this machine. It's very powerful. So what differentiate the Dyson with the other brands out there is that suction power. It has a very good suction power, so it's very efficient in its cleaning process. Plus it looks neat, quite well built, and comes with a lot many attachment you will like. The Dyson V15 comes with a 2 years warranty including accidental damage protection. You can also get an extra battery pack and also a pet grooming kit, which is also on offer these days. So if there is any nagging point which I have to mention, there is no trigger lock mechanism and it makes a bit of a sound, but keep in mind this machine is very powerful and comes with a great suction power. So I don't complain about that. Maybe some people might find it a bit heavy, but as you start using it, it gets more comfortable. You can go to the nearby store and take a demo of the product and see it yourself. So what do you think about the Dyson V15 Direct? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Cheers.